Imagine standing outside on a sunny afternoon, and then suddenly, the sky turns black. Not because the sun has set, but because a massive tornado is approaching. Witnesses said it looked like day had turned into night. This is the story of one of the most terrifying tornadoes ever seen in America, the tornado that darkened the sky. It happened during a powerful outbreak across the Great Plains. Meteorologists were already tracking severe thunderstorms. Warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico was colliding with cooler, drier air, creating the perfect conditions for violent tornadoes. As the storm intensified, a giant supercell began rotating. People watched in shock as the cloud base lowered. Then the funnel appeared, and it kept growing. Witnesses described a massive black wall stretching across the horizon. Many said they couldn't even see the actual funnel. The tornado was wrapped in rain and debris. It looked less like a tornado, and more like an entire storm swallowing the landscape. As it moved toward towns and farms, daylight began disappearing. Streetlights came on, cars stopped, people ran for shelter. Some thought it was the end of the world. Then the tornado struck, homes exploded apart, barns vanished, power poles snapped, vehicles were thrown through the air, the roar was deafening. Survivors later said it sounded like dozens of freight trains at once. Before we continue, hit that subscribe button because the most unbelievable fact about this tornado is still ahead. When the storm finally passed, the damage stretched for miles. Entire neighborhoods had been flattened, trees were stripped bare, fields looked as if giant machines had scraped them clean. But the most shocking part wasn't just the destruction, it was the darkness. Thousands of people reported that the sky became so black they could barely see a few feet in front of them, even in the middle of the afternoon. Scientists explain that large tornadoes can lift enormous amounts of dust, soil, debris, and moisture into the air. Combined with thick storm clouds, the result can block out much of the daylight, creating an eerie, almost nighttime appearance. Today, tornadoes remain among the most powerful forces on Earth, and storms like this remind us how quickly the world can change. One moment the sun is shining, the next the sky is black, and a tornado is coming. Thanks for watching.